Sarah Basine, welcome to TechWise TV here at Interopt, man.
Thank you.
Great to have you here, buddy.
Yeah, great to be here.
Man, I am pumped. I really cannot wait to hear about this new product, NCS, Cisco Network.
That's
this is
correct.
part of Prime, right?
That is correct. This is Cisco Prime Network Control System.
So what does this do? Because I got confused when I first started reading about this. I'm like, well, don't I have WCS? Doesn't that do the same thing?
That's a very good question, Jimmy Ray. NCS, or Network Control System, is an evolution on top of Wireless Control System, a very mature product that people love and use it every day. So NCS is an evolution of WCS, where we start expanding the scope into converged access management and also focusing on users and endpoints. So those are the key points for NCS, where we start expanding on top of the existing wireless portfolio and also start managing the wired network and bring in monitoring and troubleshooting of that. And then we also do visibility into users and endpoints, and we're looking at it in the screen here. You'll see a lot of user information, user to endpoint correlation, and then finally it also integrates with the Identity Services Engine, which we're also demonstrating here at the show here. So it integrates to build in user and identity information, and how do you troubleshoot user and endpoint access.
Wow.
Independent of the media. So it's really powerful. People love it so far.
That is very, very cool. So, what's the live demo?
Absolutely.
So what are we looking at here on this screen? Because this is pretty darn neat looking at. We've got authentication type, EAP type, protocols. How does this product work?
So let me walk you through a screen or two here, and what I'll show you is when we log into the dashboard, what you're seeing is the 30,000 foot view of the network, and you're looking at the client information because we're focusing on the client tab here, and you're seeing client protocol distribution, and you can mouse over any of these areas on the screen, and it'll tell you what we're looking at. So in this case, 802.11g clients, you have 14 of them, and then a variety of other ways that you can slice and dice this. What EAP type we're using, of course, this is a show network that we're monitoring, all open connections, so there's no EAP type, authentication type, open, or WPA2. And then let me also show you from a wired perspective, because again, we're talking about independent of the media that you're connecting to, users and endpoint visibility. So in this case, you're looking at all the wired clients. We have about 7 on this network right now on the demo network, 6 of them on a gig switch, and 1 connected to a 100 megabit network. And then a lot of other information that helps people plan for capacity and as they grow their network. So you look at top 5 SSIDs by client count, top 5 switches by client count, and all of this is customizable, Jimmy Ray. You can click on it and you can also take to the subset of information that you're looking for. So in this case, if I click on this switch, it'll take me to the next screen here and show you all the clients that are currently on the network. In this case, this is all the clients that are on the network right now. It gives you a lot of details.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, and do you want me to walk you through some of these screens as well?
Yeah, man, let's check one of these out. If we got the time, let's do it.
Absolutely.